Sunday the 24th of November. Thought I'd just get this out here because we got the sun is out over that way. But as you can possibly see, the sky isn't blue. It's actually quite dark and grey, which is quite cool. And we filled up all the birdie bits, so got starlings. They're always the first ones to come down. I think there's another one over there on the... Yeah, there you go. Flitting about. Filled up the nuts and the little box down the bottom, so the squirrel's been having fun. And down here, we have a Cleo and a Timmy. Cleo's just polished off the beef in the blue, and now she's going to muscle him out of eating what he's eating out of that one, because you're a little bully, aren't you? You've had yours? Yes, you have. You've had yours. I'll put a little thing of milk underneath there as well, under the black tarpaulin. But there we go. Timmy and Cleo all fed. And of course, as you know, the Mahonia is like flowering like a good one. A bit grainy when I zoom in, but hey ho. Oh, and Timmy's just run past me. Damn, I'm going to have to go. Naughty little boy. Now a little tribute to Bubbles the cat.